I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote.
Hi guys, welcome to Zuri Chats, the show that brings you the best discoveries in the world of lifestyle. Today I am at a very nice Airbnb in Naromoru. That's on your way to Nanyuki. It's so nice and beautiful. The name of this place is Besotted Farmstay. There are rooms where you get to stay. You share the rest of the areas. That is, for example, there's a common TV room for everyone living within the house. There is an entertainment area. There's a large living room that also has plenty of seating both inside and on the outside in case you'd like to dine in or out. The other thing is they also allow you to cook. So should you want to prepare your own food, they have a huge and well-equipped kitchen with everything, all your utensils. If you need to bring something of your own that you particularly like to cook, then of course that's also advised. If you don't feel like cooking, they also have a very pleasant lady who's more than happy to help in the kitchen area. So at any point, should you probably want to stay in or just go out on a drive and then come back and chill, you can always request one of their staff members in advance to prepare a meal for you, and they'll be more than happy to. There were sheep grazing right by the gate, something I haven't seen in a very long time. So it gives you a very homely feel when you're around here. The staff, definitely, we have two ladies that are totally awesome. They've been very, very helpful. We haven't lacked anything since we got here. You drive down from Naromoru Boys High School, something like that. So it's off the beaten track. It's not immediately off-road. From the main road, probably drive another 5 to 7 minutes. The environment just simply changes, and the air is also very different and good, you know, which is the whole essence of taking the trip, just to take some time away, to be able to unwind in an environment that's very calming, you know, depending on why you're traveling. The place is very quiet, especially in the evenings, so very ideal for people who just are seeking that solace, that place of silence, that place to just meditate and just calm yourself. The communication from the word go, from the minute I booked or we booked this space, they're very clear lines of communication. So for example, there's a text message where you are given the full details. So even when you get stuck and you ask people around, I noticed they probably do not know the name Besotted Farmstay, but then when you mention things like Karioko Town or Naromoru Boys High School, something like that. And then from there, pretty much everything else was very, very, very simple. You have to look for brick house and has solar panels on the top. That's easy to find in a place like this that's not very congested. There are not too many houses around here. So definitely it was challenging at first to get to that main road where we would drive down, but then from there on it becomes really easy to identify the spaces. This is definitely a place I would recommend. In a short time I'm going to be showing you the facility on the outside and from the inside as well, the rooms. So
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.
this is the kitchen. Oops, my phone is ringing. This is the kitchen. Just gonna put that on silence for a bit. So this is the kitchen, very well equipped. As you can see, all the cabinets are full. I'm going to open them one by one and then you get to see. Yeah, so you have everything, you don't need to carry. Yeah, then that's the cooker.
You don't know me too. When you with me forever young. Now I don't know you. You don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now everybody's on their own. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet. I would feel my heart beat when you looked.
Very, very beautiful. Hi guys. Those are the lovely ladies that have been taking care of us for the night. They've been super amazing. Yeah, so that's pretty much the outside. I'm gonna zoom you guys in to see that there's a pool table. There's stuff covered in black over there. That's a pool table, so you're not really gonna get bored here. Super amazing. Yeah, so that's the backyard. She wants me to go fast. Understandable. Wall art on point.
Only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me. I remember fleeting times when we stepped on top of cars. Now I don't.
That's how it looks. And it has a place where you just pretty much relax. It's like a penthouse. So you can also have your office work if you're here on a work holiday or something. You can just pretty much be able to do your work.
When you with me forever young. Now I don't know you. You don't know me too.
Again, we come back to the views. Always spectacular. Very, very, very nice. Yeah. And that's the front porch. Very, 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 very beautiful. So guys, this is a place very quiet, very serene. This is an option for a place you just use. That's the bathroom. Don't know where the lights are at. Just so, yeah. So that's how it looks. That's the bath. There's all that, and it's spacious enough. So soap is provided, towels are provided. So far so good. saying goodbye to this beautiful location. Please be sure to check it out sometime. Visit and stay. It's been lovely and I haven't been disappointed. If I rated this out of 10, I'd give it an 11 because it's exceeded our expectations generally. So enjoy. We are leaving Besotted Farmstay for Madison Guest House in Nanyuki. Please don't forget to check this beautiful place out. Spend some time and just get to enjoy your holiday.